अस्तु महोदय।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
धन्यवादः चित्रा महोदय।
अस्तु। सो गतसप्ताहे भवन्तः सर्वेपि अनेकानि पदानि वाक्यानि प्रश्नानि इत्यादीनि पठितवन्तः। एकवारं पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः।
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Let me translate. So, ekavaram punaravalokanam. Punaravalokanam kurmah. Okay. So in the last kurmah.
Punaravalokanam. Avalokanam means revising. Punaravalokanam, once again we will go through it.
Once again.
Yes. Once again. Punaha punaravalokanam. Avalokanam is used in most of the languages, most of the Indian languages. So it is Punaravalokanam. Is once again we will go through it.
Plus Avalokanam.
Punaravalokanam.
It's a single word, Mahodaya.
Yeah, it's a sandhi. Punaha plus Avalokanam.
Chitra Mahoday, you may want to mute yourself. I can send some.
Chaitra Mahoday, Adya Supraja Mahodayasya Pratama Kaksha Asti.
Supraja Mahoday. Supraja Mahodaya. Astu. No, but she attended Jane Mahodaya's.
She attended, but Abhya Gasya Prathama Kaksha Asti.
Astu. All right. Okay. So let's start, when we talk about Punaravalokanam. So what are some of the new words or questions, sentences that we learned in our last week's class?
Ekekam kim patitavantah kripaya vadatu. Aham shrunomi. So what did you learn last week? We will listen to you. Each one can share what they learned.
Yeah, we would like this to be a more interactive class, and that's how we could also practice Sambhashanam. Sambhashanam kurmaha.
Bhavan Putra Vasati.
Bhavan Kutra Vasati.
Kutra Vasati.
What is the meaning of that?
Bhavan Mahyam Pruchati Chet Bhavati Kutra Vasati.
Bhavati is for female.
So if you have to ask me, Bhavati Kutra
Vasati.
Aham Bengaluru Nagare Vasami.
That's what I have also got as an answer.
Okay. Bhavan Kutra Vasati.
Aham Bangalore Nagare Vasami.
Bengaluru Nagare Kutra Vasati.
Bangalore Nagare Yelahanka whatever area.
Kshetre
Vasami.
Uttamam prayatna Mahodaya. Dhanyavadah. Astu. So now maybe Shankar Mahodaya can ask that question to someone else. Shankar Mahodaya, Krupaya Pruchati va?
Bhavati Kutra Karyam Karishyati. I don't know whether karyam is
super.
the right word.
Okay,
Yes,
to
yes.
whom are you addressing the question?
I'm addressing it to any lady in this
Ah.
because I'm saying Bhavati.
Namaste
Putra-
Vishwa Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Swagatam.
Astu.
Shankar Mahodaya, Bhavan Namam Vadatu. You tell, you address it to a single person only.
Okay. Chitra Mahode Bhavati Kutra Karyam Karishyati.
अहं गृहिणी अस्मि.
Chitra Mahodaya, Bhavati Pruchatu.
भवान्
Pruchatu means ask, is it?
Yeah, Pruchatu. Please ask.
Please ask. Kripaya pruchatu.
Kripaya Pruchatu. Chitra Mahodaya, Bhavati api Namam Lekishyatu. Please take somebody's name and ask.
स्वरन्ते clearly.
Yeah, you can see the names there, right? So on the screen, so you can just choose anyone and you can ask a question.
सुब्रह्मण्य महोदय, भवान् कुत्र वसतु? Is correct? कुत्र
Vasati.
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 Vasati is not female. Vasatu means
No. Vasati, the Kriya Pada is, Vasati is correct.
okay.
Yeah. Vasati is the verb.
Kriya Pada.
Subramani Mahodaya, Bhavan Kutra Vasati.
Yeah. To answer this, I should say, Aham, that is me, Coimbatore, and Coimbatore, in Coimbatore, how do I say?
Coimbatore Nagare.
Aham, Coimbatore Nagare,
Coimbatore Nagare Vasami. Some kshetram. Which place?
Lakshmi Mahoday, I'm not sure whether they have, learnt that kshetram.
Okay,
Everyone.
no
You
need.
can just
Okay.
keep general, what everyone has learned.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So, Astu, please continue, Subramani Mahodaya.
Astu. Okay. Aham, Coimbatore Nagare, Vastami.
Vasami.
Vastami.
Vasami.
Vasami. Right?
Vasami.
Okay, Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawada,
Vasami.
Mahodaya.
Dhanyawada.
Bhavan Pruchatu Mahodaya. Prashnam Pruchatu. You ask your question addressing to somebody, Mahodaya.
I'm not prepared.
It's okay. You can ask a very simple question. No issues. Katham asti, Bhavan katham asti, Bhavati katham asti.
What does it mean?
How are you?
Katham.
How are you? Katham. Katham means how. How are you? You can ask me that question.
Okay.
I'm Chaitra.
Chaitra Mahodayi.
Mahodaye.
Chaitra Mahodaye.
Bhavati.
Bhavati.
Katham.
Bhavati Katham.
Asti.
Asti. Bhavati Katham Asti. Chaitra
Aham.
Mahodayi.
Bhavati
Chaitra
katham
Mahodaye.
asti. Bhavati
Chaitra
katham asti.
Bhavati Katham Asti.
Aham samyak asmi, Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Okay. So the words
Astu.
which we have learned today is Bhavati is addressed to a female. Bhavan is addressed to a male. Then Mahodaya is for a male. Mahodaye is for female. Bhavati katamasti. Bhavan katamasti. So asti is the verb. So there is no gender for that. Chaitra Mahade ekam samshayam asit. You had a doubt. So for verb, there is no linga. The grammar is same in any of the language. Vishwa Mahade, Krupaya, Bhavanapi ekam prashnam pruchhatu. Na shruyate Mahodaya.
No, I don't. I think he's thinking. So, yes, please go ahead. You're on mute, Mahodaya. Na shruyate.
He is unmute only.
Okay,
There's some
all right.
problem with
Yes.
your audio.
No, now we can hear you. You're audible. Oh, no, now I can't hear you. Yes. Can anyone hear him?
No. Mahodaya, we're not
no,
able
no.
to hear you, Vishwa Mahodaya. Yeah, take it.
Take your time, no issues.
Mahoday, whoever it may be, some norm, kim karyam karoti, like that, will it come?
Kim karyam karoti. What work do you do? Kim karyam karoti. Samyak. Vishwa Mahodaya, are you ready? Yeah. Let's wait.
Karoti or karishyati?
Karishyati is in Bhavishyat Kala.
Yeah, Bhavishyat, future tense.
What will you do?
What will you do?
Oh, I see. Because I asked Bhavati Kutra Karyam Karishyati. That's good. It's Karoti is the right thing.
Mahodaye, kutra means
Where?
what is that?
Where?
Where?
Kutra means where.
So where do you where do you stay means Bhavan kutra
Vasati.
Vasati.
Huh?
Vasati.
Bhavan kutra
Vasati.
vasati. That is when you're addressing a
Vasati.
male, a gentleman.
Bhavan is for a male.
Bhavan kutra vasati. What is the answer?
Mama
I'm
Bangalore
staying in
Nagare
Madana.
Vasami. Or Aham Bangalore Nagare Vasami.
Aham Bengaluru Nagare Vasami. Shibani Mahodaya.
Huh?
Namaste Shibani Mahodaya.
Namaste. Lakshmi Mahoday.
Ekam prashnam pruchhatu bhavati api. You ask, don't worry, all of us are learning.
Yes.
Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasati.
Shibani Mahodaya, when we say for aham, it is vasami.
Vasami.
Me.
Okay. So, Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasami. Then, do you want me to ask questions or is it like?
Please ask. Please ask. Please ask.
Krupaya pruchhatu, Mahoday. You can keep it as simple as you wish. You're just basically revising whatever you have learned in the last week's class.
Shibani Mahodaya, you can ask Vishwa Mahodaya any question and he will answer.
And then he will ask the question to someone else.
Okay. Vishwa Mahodaya, Bhavan.
Kutra.
Kutra or, yeah, depends
I
on what
wanted
she
to
wants.
ask whether he did his assignment 1.
Okay.
So, Griha Part 1.
Griha Karyam.
Griha Karyam. Pratham Griha Karyam. So,
Prathamah Griha Karyam.
Ratha.
so will that be Putra or will that be
Look,
Whether?
look, you want to
Putra.
ask him that have you finished your first assignment?
yes?
Okay. Bhavan Prathama Griha Karyam Karishyati va. No, Kritavan va. Let us not go to such high sentences now.
I know,
Okay.
I know.
Ah.
They have.
We'll stick to the simple things now. We'll go to the next in the class.
So-
Just
Okay.
ask what is your name?
Yeah,
What
we
are you
stick
doing?
to because it would confuse. I mean, you know.
Okay. So, Vishwa
Because it will
Mahodaya,
become
Bhavan-
Kritavan. So let's not get into that. Yeah.
So, Vishwa Mahodaya, Bhavan Prathamah Grihakaryah Karishyati.
Look, it'll be Kritavan. So don't get into
Kritavan.
that.
Okay.
Okay.
So, only Kritavan.
Kritavan. Have you done it? So that's
There
why I'm
is.
saying let us stick to simple
Simple
sentences.
sentence. Okay.
Yes.
So then, only
No, you
those
say
sentences.
you ask him Griha Karyam Sulamam va Sulabam Asti va Asit va, like that you ask. Very
Okay.
simple things you ask.
Astiva, Griha Karyam Astiva. You could even ask that. Is there
Ah.
homework?
Okay. Vishwa Mahodaya, Grihakaryah Asti va. Is that the way?
Griha Karyam Astiva.
Asti va.
Do we have homework? This is what she's asking you, Mahodaya. Ah.
Don't know how to say. I mean,
Mahodaya, Am means yes.
yes, okay.
Am Griha Karyam Asti.
Okay. Griha Karyam Asti.
Griha Karyam Asti.
So it means yes.
There is homework.
There is homework. Okay.
Mahodaya. Dhanyavadah.
Yeah,
Dhanyavadah.
dhanyawad.
Vishwa Mahodaya Bhavan Kripaya Prashnam Prichatu.
Okay.
Jyoti Mahodaya Asti, Supraja Mahodaya Asti.
Jyoti Mahodaye Bhavati Katham Asti.
Bhavati katham asti.
Yes.
Means.
How are you?
How are you?
Okay.
Mahodaya could be seen.
Aham samyaka asti. Samyakam asti.
Samyak Asmi.
Aham samyak asmi.
Mahodaya Kripaya video Udghatayatu.
Ji. Am.
Very nice. We would like to see all of we should see each other. Okay.
Yes.
Jyoti Mahodaya Prashnam Prichatu.
Yeah, you can choose anyone and any one of us here and you could ask a question. Something which you have learned. Let's keep it as simple as possible.
Okay. Supraja, right?
Supraja Mahodaya.
I'm trying. Tvam ruchi kim bhavatya is what are your hobbies? Is it okay, right?
Yeah, Mahodaya, I think we will stick to what we have learned, right? I mean, that's, yeah, so.
Bhavati kim nagre vasati?
महोदये अहं मदनपल्ली नगरे वसामि.
For I, we always say Vasami.
Vasati means for asking.
The easier way to remember is I, me. We say no, me in English. So whenever we say aham, it is Vasami. Aham asmi. So the me always has to come. Bhavati kutra vasati, aham Bengaluru nagare vasami. So when we address for ourselves, it is always me. Aham vasami.
Astu.
Okay means
Supraja.
right?
Yeah, okay is astu. Am is yes.
Okay. 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 Astu.
Supraja Mahode, Bhavati api video kripaya udghatayatu.
No, I think she is having some issues
You're
with
having
the
issues?
network, right?
Okay, okay.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah. No problem, Mahoday. I mean, please, yeah, according to your convenience, no issues. Yeah.
Okay.
Krupaya ekah prashna pruchatu. Supraja Mahoday.
Okay. Shankar Mahodaya. Bhavan Kutra Vasatu. Correct?
Vasati.
No, male, right?
Yes, but Vasati, it's not, yeah, Bhavan Putra Vasati. That is the
Vasati is the verb.
Kriya Pada.
Okay.
Kriya Padam.
Okay.
So verb will never have any lingas, no gender for that. So Vasati only is.
Okay. Astu.
It is to be,
Astu,
right?
correct?
Aham Bangalore Nagare Yelahanka Kshetre Vasami.
Astu Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Okay, now would you like to ask? Sorry, yes.
Say we use the word Vasti and Vasami, but what is the base word? Something Vasa, Vasu,
No.
and we are Te and me. We add to that. How does it? How does the words are formed?
Mahodaya, there is a root word which we'll be learning. There is a root word, and then we add other pratyas to that, which we would be learning. So you're right. I mean, you are there.
Okay.
We'll be learning that.
Since we are using this Vaste and Vasami, maybe we can split Vasati and Vasami. So Ti Vasami. So what is the root word and how would you split? Maybe we'll learn a bit here, maybe later.
Mahodaya, you will be learning the root words, which is called dhatu at a later time. So don't worry about that. We will stick to Vasati and Vasami now. Okay.
Yeah.
Slowly we will learn.
We will learn. We'll be learning all that.
All that. Okay.
One question.
Chitra Mohode, Eka Nimisham Mohode. Pruchatu.
Bhavan or Bhavati. Okay. Samskrita Patam Sulabham Va. That question is correct.
Uttamam.
So answer is
Depends on the, who is responding to your
You want to say yes
question.
or no?
Or na. Yeah, it depends.
Na is for no.
Na.
na, and the new, both means in that way. It's not
is yes. Sorry.
It's not very easy or not very tough. In that way, answer means.
Means yes.
It's not too hard or not too easy. In that way, answer I want.
Sulabhamapi asti, kashtamapi asti.
Acha.
Shibani Mahoday.
Sulabham asti Mahoday, chinta mastu.
Shibani Mahoday, pruchatu.
So just now you have mentioned that we will stick to Vasati and Vasami. So if let me know if my understanding is correct. As Lakshmi Mahodaya said, Mahodaya, right? Or Mahoday?
Mahodaya, correct.
Mahoday.
No, but yeah, okay, Mahodaya. Continue, Mahoday.
Mahoday has stated that we will use Vasami when we are saying aham. So Vasati will be part of a question, right?
No, Vasati is used more, when you are asking or you are talking about someone else.
Okay.
For example, Shankar Mahodaya Bangalore Nagare Vasati.
Okay. So when you are stating someone's information, that time I can use a vasati.
Vasati.
Okay.
Or when you're asking Shankar Mahodaya,
then I can
Bhavan
ask.
Kutra Vasati.
So whenever we are answering, we use me.
Yes.
So
Maybe it has something
It could
to do
be
with the first person, second person, third person.
Aham Sanskritam Pathami.
I have
This
a
first
question.
person.
So whenever,
Mahodaya.
so whenever we ask a question, so how do we know it's a question? Like the way in which you ask, there is an intonation towards the end. But when we write it, do we put a question mark for the question?
Yes, we do put a
Yes.
question mark.
I see. Thank you.
We do.
Dhanyawad.
I think Subramani Mahodaya had a question.
Yeah,
And
so
Sanskritam, we put a line instead of a full stop.
For the answer or a
Vertical line.
statement.
Hmm.
Pruchatu Subramani.
the line is full stop. This is same as in Hindi.
महोदये प्रति सोमवारं सम्भाषणं क्लास् सम्भाषण कक्षा वा
What was your question? Repeat again, Mahodaya.
प्रति सोमवार सम्भाषणं कक्षा वा
Raksha asti va.
कक्षा अस्ति वा
Somavasare.
Somavasare. We will learn
Yeah, we will learn.
The days of the week and all that we will learn.
Yeah, we will learn when to use Vasara, Vasare.
Okay.
So, we learn that.
So, Gata Kaksha, Sarvebhyaha, Kim Patitavantaha, what else did you learn? What other things you learned? You should tell us what you learned.
सः एषः सा एषा
Okay.
एतत्
केचन छात्राः पठितवन्तः.
Kechana.
Some of them have studied that. Kechana chatra.
Kechana means
some.
Few. Yeah.
Few. Some. Kechana chatra ekavachanam bahuvachanam api patitavantah प्रायः.
Anybody? Did everyone learn sa? Saha? Did anybody learn? Esha?
Apart from
No.
Chitra.
No, we will not confuse that.
I know that's what. So let's go by what the majority have done.
Mahodaye, I did not run the class. How do we? How can we say this?
Sorry, could you please repeat your question, Supraja Mahoday?
Mahodaye, right?
Mahodaye. When you're addressing, it's Mahodaye.
Mahodaye. Yeah, I did not attend the class. How can we say in Sanskrit?
Okay, that is in again in Bhutakala, so in past tense. Yeah, we shall learn that.
We'll just tell you.
No, I know it's very
Gatavati, we have to tell. So we will learn over a period of time. Don't worry, Mahoday.
Yes.
And Griha Karyam Sulabham Asti va? Dvitiya Griha Karyam?
I did only first assignment, so.
Okay.
What do you say for doubts?
The second assignment.
What do you say for doubts?
Samshayam asti va?
Sandeha, samshaya.
So I did first assignment.
Just a second, one at a time, please. Supraja Mahoday, sorry, Shankar Mahoday, Eka Nimisha. Vadatu Supraja Mahoday.
I did first assignment. How can I say? Aham.
Okay, aham Grahakaryam Krutavati, again it goes in
you can say,
No.
you can say.
Yeah, because madam asked, no, like she did ask something in. Did you do?
She asked, how is the second assignment? How do you find the second assignment? Sulabham asti va, she asked.
Okay.
Like that, can I take? Chantal, confusion is there.
Sorry?
Samshayam asti. Samshayam.
Confusion.
The samshayam is doubt.
Acha, samshaya. Chanchalam means confusion. That we can say, yeah. Chanchalam. Only samshayam only we can use that word.
For now, that is enough, I think.
Yeah.
No, we are trying to use words which is used in many languages,
Common.
many of the Indian languages, so that it's easier for you to relate in mother tongue.
Okay.
Because
Shankar,
samshayam we use in Telugu, we use in Kannada, we use in Tamil, we use samshayam.
Samshayam.
Because many times we use English word only. That's why you are getting confusion immediately.
Samshayam means doubt.
question, doubt.
Sandeham also. Probably.
Sandeham asti.
Hindi also same, Sanjay and Sunday.
Yes.
Kannada
Even in
also.
Hindi we use samshayam, we use whatever is similar to our mother tongue, we are using only those words. So we are just trying to get to know the language. So that's why we are not going into other words.
We will learn. Eventually, we'll get there. Astu. Shankar Mahodaya.
द्वितीय गृह कार्य में संशयम अस्ति. May I ask?
Okay. All right. So
Aham prichhami. I will ask.
Aham prichhami.
Aham
prichhami va. You can even.
Aham prichhami va.
Aham prichhami va.
Bhavan prichhatu. Uttarapi bhavan dadatu. You ask the question and you give us the answer.
If I have doubts, how can I give the answer?
You can figure out. You can figure out. We will help you figure out.
As long as you don't ask us the answers of Griha Karyam, we are okay
that's
with
the problem. That's the
No,
problem. Because these are very pointed questions. So it's either.
You ask, Maurya. You ask the doubt. We'll see. You yourself will clear it up.
Specifically, I have on A part, question number 10.
Just a second, Mahodaya. I'll share the homework.
Screen.
I'll share the
Screen. Question number 10.
Just a second. This is the first question.
First question, question number 10.
Astu. Drishyate va?
10. T halant, R halant, that is Refa, Ya halant, and Aha.
Aha.
Trayah. I don't even know how to pronounce it, frankly.
Takara, adhikam, rakara, adhikam, yakara, adhikam.
Adhikam, Aha.
Aha.
So, yeah, I too have this doubt because the Repa is in the middle. So if you combine with the Takara, it is then you should be below the Ta, you have to some storm.
Correct.
And if you have to combine with Ya, it is the vertical line you have to do. Then I had a doubt how to combine.
How does that right?
Maybe the same doubt Shankar Maurya said.
Shankar Mahodaya, what is it the same doubt?
Yes, same doubt. You see, we are talking about takaram, refa, adikam, refa, adikam, yakara, adikam, aha. How does one write it? I mean, you can pronounce it as trayaha.
It's trayaha.
Trayaha.
Visarga.
The same as the 30th one.
Same as the 30th one.
Now, Shankar Mahodaya, I have told you about trayaha. Okay. You please try the 30th one.
Trayi.
Simple. I told you, you will get your answers. You don't need help.
Mahodaya, I had a doubt. They are not exactly the same because for 30, there is ta alanta and repa, there is a symbol tra. You can use that and combine with ya. So that is easy. Exactly. So we can do it. But here, you cannot combine, there is no single letter combining takara and repa.
Exactly.
So that is the doubt I had.
Exactly.
Okay.
Thra, there is a single word, thra.
Yeah. So there we are able to combine.
Yes.
But for the question number 10, we don't know how to do it.
But you can put a ta and you can give underscore.
Underscore down, Mahodaya.
It look very odd because below the takara, we'll have to put that ra.
Yeah.
You have to, yes. Yeah, you have to put a ulta V.
Exactly. That hat symbol.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hat symbol.
Yes. Trayaha.
Shibani Mahodaya has raised her hand.
It's Shibani Mahodaya, Bhavati 22 try Krupaya. Why don't you try the 22nd one?
Okay, I just wanted to add regarding the queries of Mr. Shankar and Subramani, is that the classroom presentation shared by Mr. Narayan, right?
Yeah, I think it has been shared.
Yeah, so in that, the 5th rule, it is mentioned wherever there is takara or takara is there, then we have to use that inverted V. So we can find that answer in the presentation.
Yes, actually, I was about to suggest that, if we just go through the notes and slides, whatever our teachers have shared, I'm sure, we would find the answers. I was about to say that, Shibani Mahodaya, thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
Regarding the 22nd, am I right?
22nd,
yeah.
Yes.
So it is yasya.
Yeah. Are you sure it is Tya Mahodaya? It's Takara Adhikam Sakara.
Takara Adhika
Yakara.
Adhika A.
Adhik A.
Yeah.
So is it?
Yeah.
I thought it was yasya, but I think I better check.
It's like Matsya with an A. Matsya.
Matsya. Yeah. But actually it is Takara. So there is no A or A.
Sia.
Yeah. So it's like Takara, Adhikam Sakara, Adhikam Yakara plus A. So
by pronouncing, we will not pronounce the. Is that what I suggested?
It's not ta. It's ta with the halanta, right? So
yes, takara.
So there are takara, sakara, yakara, and plus a.
Yes, yeah.
So no. Shibani Mahodaya, try again. It's just sya.
Yeah.
It's sya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Ta is almost silent.
Silent. Okay.
Sya.
Okay, we have 3 ladies. Supraja Mahodaya, Krupaya Pruchatu.
I have a doubt here.
Just a second, Mahodaya. Just
yeah.
Is it related to the same question?
The same question regarding this 22nd. You said the full letter is Atika, right? And for off letter, what did you say?
No, Adhikam is the plus mark.
Oh, Atikam is the plus mark.
Okay. It's a halanta. You know, the takara, sakara, yakara.
Halanta, okay. Atikam is the
Adhikam is
mark.
the
And okay.
And A is a swara, of course.
Okay. When you write off, say for example, the of takara and of sakara, how do you say? And full yakara. It is and full.
I didn't exactly get your question,
Say for example, the question number 22, it is takara alanta, adhikam sakara alanta, adhikam yakara alanta. Okay.
Plus
plus plus okay. Now for writing this, you have to write ta off and sa off and ya full.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay.
So how do you say it in Sanskrit? Ta off, sa off, and ya full.
It's I mean the pronunciation. Are you referring to that?
Not pronunciation. When I say in English of the and of sa. How do you say it in Sanskrit?
You can say takara, Mahodaya, at least. I mean,
we don't say half and things like that, Mahodaya.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. If there is any way of saying this, maybe while explaining this, we can use that word. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, at least,
okay,
yeah, Lakshmi Mahodaya.
Yeah, we just say it as half matra, but otherwise there is no special nomenclature like that.
Okay.
Halanta is one thing what we use.
Halanta is one.
Halanta, and here, you know, the takara, adhikam, sakara, so we can even use it.
Same way we say. No, Chaitra Mahodaya ask each one to do one. So let's not do the full homework.
No, I just see here 4 raised hands. Nagaprabha Shetty Mahodaya is waiting. Nagaprabha, right? Yeah. Pruchatu Mahodaya.
This 30th question. The adhikam refa, adhikam ya, adhikam e is there.
And ya are also takara and yakara, Mahodaya.
Yeah, yakara. Yeah, okay. That is second word is there, no? That second pada. Ra. That I confuse whether it is we can write ra and ra are same.
No, ra is different, as in rishi. This is you know this is the ra. That is ra. That is rishi.
That one we do.
Mahodaya, it's trayi. So for ta, you put a line.
Tra. Oh, no, but I think her question is this.
Up. Yeah.
No, not up. You have a reverse halanta. You know, trayi. It's like a reverse K. Reverse K. K of English, the line, and the reverse K.
That is tra.
Like a V, reverse V.
It will come over that, up on top of that horizontal line.
No, not on top. Not on top, Mahodaya. Not on top. It will come beside.
Nagaprabha Mahodaya, I think it is in the rules. If it is R is coming after Ta, so then it will come below. If R comes before Ta, it will come on the top. That's the rule.
Correct, Mahodaya.
Correct.
If it
That-
comes after, it will come down.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay, it will come down. Then no, I confuse. If it is ru, what will come? If it is ru swara.
Ru swara. Then you have that small ulta C below, so that comes. As in krupaya, when we write krupaya, so you have that. Drisham, drishyate.
You get, no, that's what we write. Kidrisham.
That is a ulta C.
Yeah, ulta C. But here it is a line and a ulta K. Like Rishi, you have just a half, not the other one.
That with the examples, ru is not.
No. What I'm saying is, let's not go till there. You finish the homework, Madhu.
This one. Okay.
Don't confuse yourself.
Yeah.
Chitra Mahodaya Prashnam Asti.
Chitra Mahodaya, Shibani and Vishwa Mahodaya, all of them have raised their hand. Chitra Mahodaya, Pruchatu.
I feel Chitra Mahodaya, all of you answer one. So we will not go into the full homework because you should also do the homework.
Yes, but if you have any questions in specific, then please go ahead, ask.
Actually, my question is the 22nd. Sakara, adhikam, sakara, adhikam, yakara, adhikam, a. It is yeah. So how to write? We have to all each and everything should join each and every word. It's how to like that. Everything
E is not there, Mahodaya, here, Mahodaya.
Half the.
So E is not there here, right? I hear you saying Itsya. So are you saying Itsya? There is no E here.
There is no E. Half the, that is the third silent. Yeah. That how to write means for me this writing is the problem. All we have to touch like that we have to write.
No. Chitra Mahodaya, see, for ta, the straight line is there, you will remove that. So it will be half the. And again, sir is, again you will remove the line. And then for ya, you will write with the dirgha.
My question is half that the half the and the halves everything should touch. I'm asking.
No need to touch. Nothing need to be touched. Why should?
Okay.
It's not a cursive writing.
Okay. Thank you.
It is not English where it has to touch.
Okay.
Okay. Vishwa Mahodaya, Kripaya Pruchatu Mahodaya.
I don't have questions from the homework, but I have another question. So the difference between the swara r and so now I write refa plus u. Are they both same? The refa plus u and the swara r, are they different?
Yeah, the swara ru is different, Mahodaya. This is the refa plus u is ru, like in rupam. Okay. So rupam, so ru, the dirgha comes there.
Okay.
It is yara lava, that ra.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see if they sound the same or they sound different. So if they sound the same, different.
They sound different. Ru is in rishi. So rishi is different from rupam, ru, right?
Okay,
so,
okay. Yeah, that's the only. But if I use two refas, refa adhika refa plus u, the okay, I use refa adhika u. Will it be same as the ru? Because phonetically I see two r's will give me ru, right? And I'm just trying to synthesize that way.
It's crew.
No, Mahodai. Refa adhika refa.
Okay.
Adhika
Ir.
So will it be same as r? The swara r?
No.
No.
I think that the pronunciation is itself is That is, one is ru, other is r. So that is the differentiation they make. Ru and r. So
Yes.
r and ru. So that is the
Mahodaya, when we
differentiation they
say, when we use the ra, okay, we say kru. Otherwise, it's kr. There is a difference in pronunciation.
Okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadam.
Shibani Mahoday.
I have a question that when we are saying, for example, the first one, Gakaraha, Adhika, Rakaraha, Adhika.
Oh, sorry, you wanted me to continue sharing the screen?
No. Gakaraha, Rakaraha,
the audio is not clear. Maybe you can switch off your video.
Yeah, audio is breaking. Your voice is breaking a little, Shibani.
Maybe you can switch off your video. At least audio will be clear.
Yeah, and yeah, if I may request, even people who are not speaking, if you can just mute yourself. Dhanyavada. Shibani Mahoday, Krupaya Pruchatu.
So my question is, the adhik or the plus sign, is it suggested to that we use adhikam as word or yojana? Because I have heard both are being used by many people. So is it the same word or does there any different meaning? And if there is it advisable at this stage to use adhikam and then go ahead when we learn more, then we can use yojana?
I mean, adhikam is something which I'm aware of. Lakshmi Mahoday.
Yeah, even I am aware of adhikam only.
Okay.
That's how we have been taught.
Yeah. Okay.
One of the classes, yojana was also used.
Yes.
Probably the way I understand is, if you say adding, in the sense adhika means you're adding to something.
Yes.
Yojana means you're joining. So probably that would be the. So I want to join this one with the other one. Addition, I want to add this one to the other one. So
yeah,
so
both yojanam also can be used.
Yeah, in that sense, because we also listened in our session some people using yojana. So.
Okay.
Yeah,
yes,
I think that may be the answer. One is joining, other one is adding.
Yeah, okay. Supraja Mahoday. Pruchatu.
Mahoday, can you please share that screen which you shared last?
Astu. Okay.
In this 29th, Ra Halanta Adhikam. We can say Ra Halanta Adhikam, right? Adhikam.
Yeah, Ra Adhikam is for the plus.
Yeah, Ra Halanta Adhikam, Va Halanta plus Adhikam. How plus, can we? What is that? Rvam. What is that word comes? Rvam.
Yeah, you think over it, Mahoday. What do others think?
Rvam. Rvam.
Rom. Ram, I wrote.
Rvam.
Is the Anuswara. Any thoughts by other fellow students, fellow travelers on this journey?
Which question?
For the time being,
question number?
Just
29th. That's
for the time being. Let's leave the Anuswara out. But if you were to think of a word called Garva, which is Ga Halat plus Ra Halant and then Va. It's Garva. And then you put a Anuswara on top of that. It is like Garvam. So this will be like arvam. I mean,
Okay.
You're on the right path. That clue is enough.
Yes. Shankar Mahodaya has given us food for thought.
Yeah, he has given us the answer. He has added one more. G. I think Supraja Mahodaya, Shankar Mahodaya has answered your question.
Mahavir, like, so, okay, it's like, okay, suppose it's garvam means like rvam, if we take it as a rvam, or va, on the top of it, ra, r will come, and ma is like ma halanta or dot will come, rvam.
If I may know what has been taught, I mean, in the class, I'm sure the teachers would have discussed examples where, the word ends with Anuswara.
No, yeah, here it is only Anuswara, you put the dot.
exactly.
On top of it.
Okay. Yeah, let's stick to what the teachers have taught, because there are certain rules, in whether it's Halanta or Anuswara. So
yeah, Chaitra Mahodaya, they have not done all those things.
Exactly. That's why I don't want to kind of, tread on that.
Yeah, don't get confused.
Okay.
You can please stick to whatever the teachers have taught in the class.
Okay.
Subramani Mahodaya.
Prashna asti va?
So it is regarding the specific questions in the homework. I missed the answer for the question number 10 of A. So the Takara, Atikam, Rakara, Atikam, Yahara, Atikam, Aha. So how do you write first? You answered it, but I missed it.
Triyaha, right?
Triyaha. You put first ta, and below this there is a inverted V. So that becomes tra. And then
then you have the yakara adikam aha.
Then you have to pronunciate trahiha.
Visarga.
Yeah. It's not traya, it's only traya.
Triyaha. There is this visarga Mahodaya. So we need to take that also into consideration.
Okay.
Triyaha.
So the repa will combine with the takara, or it will combine with yakara, with which it has to join. If it join with the takara, then the repa, then below takara there will be a inverted V, and then yakara. And if you were to combine with the yakara, there will be a slant. Yaha, combined with yaha, then the repa will be a slanting line to ya. So I'm confused. The repa should be combined with the takara or yakara.
Refa is combined with the takara. Triyaha.
Okay, then it's fine. So that's the answer I want. That's a confusion that I had. That is one doubt.
Yeah, Chaitra Mahodaya, we will close with the homework now.
Okay. I know.
No, maybe you can see the A part.
Just one doubt on that, if you don't mind. Ksha, this ksha. You have this side, no? Ksha. That is.
Shankar Mahodaya, Ekanimasham. See, you have Griha, third one. Somebody had doubts, no, with that, how it goes. The previous. So you can find answers here. Shra.
Okay. Grayaha.
Shankar Mahodaya, you were saying something.
Okay. What I was asking is, this Sanyukta Akshara Ksha, is it Kakaram adhikam shakaram or kakaram adhikam shakaram? Is it sh or is it sh?
It is the Mahaprana.
Which is what? Which is?
You're talking about the fourth one, Mahodaya?
No, the letter
fourth one.
ksha.
Ksha.
So you
Yeah.
Correct. That fourth one, ksha. Is it kakaram plus sh? That sh out of sh, the ushma sh saha sh, or is it sh, the word which looks like the pa?
What looks like a pa?
It looks like the pa. That's the one, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to confirm it. That's what I
plus
found.
the swara. If it is the ksha, then the swara is there.
Yeah, correct. This is the.
But
Mahodaya,
it's kshamihi.
I did shamihi. No, but I'm just talking about the ksha.
Correct.
So, Mahodaya, we say for the pa, we usually refer it to as Shankara, Shankarasha, and Shanmukha.
Okay.
Shanmukha,
Okay.
Shankara. Shankarasha, Shanmukha, Sha.
Okay.
So there's a difference in pronunciation also.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah. Shanmukha, Shatkona, like that. Okay. I think Chaitra Mahodaya, homework.
I have, yes, I have. So Subramani Mahodaya, Prashnaha asti va, or that was just the.
Again, I have a question on homework only. If you allow me, I can ask.
No.
Yeah, we would. We request all of you.
Otherwise, we'll close. Okay.
No, we can.
Just
I mean,
basic doubts. Some basic doubts only.
Basic. No, but do you have some difficulty in understanding the question?
Yeah, understanding the question itself. Say question number 40 in the section A. It is ha alanta adhikam r. And if you combine a and r, it is a vyanjanana. It is not a samyukta raksha. But why it is given as a samyukta raksha? This is exercises on samyukta rakshana, but this is only a vyanjanana, correct?
No, this is
question
consonants.
Swara and consonant.
Combine the following consonants into conjunct consonants.
It's only a vyanjana, right?
And no, ru is swara, no, Mahodaya.
Ru is a swara.
Yeah, and ha is vyanjana.
Vyanjana. So it is a
combine both.
Gunyaksharani.
Yes, Gunitaksharani.
It's a Gunyaksharani and it's not a Samyukta. But all these other questions are related to a Samyukta Rakshana. So that's why I had a doubt. It is a Gunyaksharani or a Samyukta
Rakshana.
Yeah.
It is
Gunitaksara.
Correct.
Gunitaksara, Mahodaya. It is Gunitaksara, but they have combined and given it. So you please do the needful. When we give tests, some things like this also will get added on.
To confuse us.
No confusion. You're all smart. You have figured it out. Now I think Chaitra Mahodaya aham griha karyam samaptam kurmaha.
I know we can have. I mean, yes, of course.
Okay.
I think I think all of you know the answers already.
But I think we left our Sambhashanam somewhere in between.
Yeah, we will start
all this. Yes. Jyoti Mahoday is back on screen now. Jyoti Mahoday, Prashna asti va?
Nasti Mahoday.
She's just nodding her head, saying that she doesn't have any. Nasti.
Nasti.
No, but did we finish discussing all the other, I mean, the new questions which...
We can tell them another word. It's called avagatam. Avagatam means I have understood. Avagatam va means have you understood? Have you yeah, I have understood.
Avagachami.
Avagatam.
Avagachami.
No avagachami, avagatam.
Avagatam. So
Avagachami also we can use, no, Mahoday? Yeah, but again, that would be again, you know,
No need.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
we'll
Kriya
stick to
Padam.
avagatam for the time being.
We
When
would
we
be
say,
learning
have
anyway,
you understood? Avagatam va? Avagatam. What else? Can we think, what do we all say in the morning? How do we wish?
Suprabhatam.
Suprabhatam.
Shubhodayam.
Then,
good evening and good afternoon.
for good evening, Shubha Sayam, Shubha Sayankala,
Subha Sandhya.
Shubha Sandhya,
Shubha Madhyanam. Shubha Ratri.
So I think we also learned Bhavataha and Bhavatyaha. I think that was covered by all the teachers, discussed by all the teachers. So what is the difference between Bhavataha and Bhavan and Bhavati and Bhavatyaha? Who would like
The
to
singular,
answer?
plural, singular and plural.
Bhavan is for male, Bhavati is female, Bhavataha is male, Bhavatyaha is female. Srilinga Pumlinga, sorry.
See, Bhavan and Bhavataha, Bhavati and Bhavatyaha. So Bhavan and Bhavataha. What is the difference between Bhavan and Bhavataha?
And your.
Is it singular and plural?
Na Mahodaya. Shankar Mahodaya?
You and your. What is your name?
Bhavataha nama kim. So what is your name?
What is your name? The possessive case.
Bhavatyaha is for female. So Bhavati, then Bhavati is you, then Bhavatyaha is your. What is your name? When you're asking a female, addressing a female.
So again, what is the difference between Bhavataha
We
and
say
Bhavan?
Bhavan, we say Bhavan nama kim, we don't ask.
You say
Bhavataha nama kim. What is your name? And in the same way, Bhavati nama kim, we don't say. We say Bhavatyaha nama kim. What is your name? But when we address like Bhavan Kripaya Vadatu, sir, please tell us. So that's the difference. Bhavati Kripaya Vadatu. Madam, please tell. So we can say Bhavan Kripaya Bhavatyaha nama kim vadatu, we can't say. So we can figure out, it is all correlating. So when we ask your, it is Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha.
Bhavan kaha, what do you do? Bhavati ka. So, when you're addressing to a female, Aham Shikshika, Aham Chhatra.
Aham Purushaha, Aham Mahila.
Aham Grihini.
Aham Grihastaha.
Did we manage to confuse all of you, or
in this context, it's not necessary to say asti or asmi.
It is the verb. The verb is implied, Mahodaya.
Implied. It is implied.
The verb is implied.
Yes.
Aham mahila.
Aham mahila asmi. I mean, you see, to begin with, while we are learning, it's good if we use asmi. Asmi, like when we are talking about ourselves, asmi. Aham chhatra asmi. But yes, it is usually, it's, implied. In case of Uttama Purusha.
Yeah.
As we're all, just learning, it's good to use asti, asmi.
But did you understand the difference between bhavati, bhavan, bhavataha, bhavatyah?
But still have some questions. So bhavataha, bhavan, literally what do they mean? Or the difference comes only in the usage?
It's in the usage, Mahodaya.
Usage. We learn more about it, as we go ahead on this journey.
Anything else for today?
Nagaprabha Mahoday, you look a little confused regarding Bhavati, Bhavan. Are you clear? Or you have
understood that.
You understood?
Avagatam.
Uttamam. Bhavatyaha, Bhavataha. Is everyone good? I hope we didn't add to your confusion.
It is, the two sentences we can think of is Bhavataha namakin, Bhavan kutra vasati.
Or Bhavan kaha also.
So very simple. Bhavataha namakin, what is your name? Bhavan kutra vasati, where do you live? It is you and your. Now could you understand the difference? Okay. Bhavatyaha namakim, bhavati kutra vasati. Did you get the answer? The difference? Shibani Mahodaye, Bhavatyaha namakim, Mama nama Shibani. Okay. Bhavati kutra vasati? Aham Mumbai nagare vasami. Now you got the difference?
Yes.
One is YOUR and one is you. Right? Nagaprabha Mahode avagatam va? Now it's clear for everybody? Okay. Bhavan, Bhavataha, Bhavati, Bhavatyaha.
Bhavatyaha nama kim?
Yes.
What is your name?
Right.
That is when you're addressing a
vasati.
female. Bhavati, Bhavatyaha, both for female, and Bhavataha, Bhavan for male. Singular, Eka Vachanam.
You are able to understand the difference? Okay.
Astu. Any other questions regarding these, these new words or these questions? Kushalam, Kushali, Katham. So I think Katham, Kutra, Kaha, Ka. These are some of the question words which we learned last week, isn't it? Or any other question?
But has everyone learnt Mahodaya? Chitra Mahodaya?
I think so. At least Katham, then Kutra, Shibani Mahodaya?
No, we haven't.
Okay, so which
particular? Not all.
Not all.
Okay.
Kutra maybe because teacher was asking questions. So
Katham, what about Katham? How are you? Katham Asti?
No, we learned only Bhavataha, Bhavatyaha as per the presentation.
Bhavan?
No.
Bhavataha? Okay.
Astu, no issues. I mean, Chinta Mastu. We would be learning. Eventually, all of us would be learning, no issues.
Lakshmi Mahodeye, Bhavatyaha Putra Vasati.
No, you can't say. That means where are you are living?
Where are
you are living? No. Where are you living? Bhavati kutra vasati?
Bhavati Putra Vasati. Bhavati Adhyapika Va. Correct?
Aham adhyapika asmi. Aham sahapati asmi. I am a co-student of yours. We are okay. Aham sahapati asmi. All of us are students here.
But we can say Bhavatyaha Griha Kutra Asti.
Mahodaya.
Where
is your house?
Griham Kutra Asti. Correct.
Griham Kutra Asti. Where is your house?
Where is your house?
Bhavatyaha Griha, I don't know, Griha is
Griham,
is it? It's a neuter gender. Okay. So Griham Putra Asti. Asti.
Asti. So you can say Bhavatyaha Griham Kutra Asti. Bhavati Kutra Vasati.
Exactly.
Okay.
Or Bhavataha Griham Kutra Asti. In case of when you're addressing a male.
Wonderful class. Now, how do you all like the Abhyasa Vargaha?
I think today it was a full-fledged, and it's 9:20. Otherwise, we had it like for 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Today it was almost a full-fledged Abhyasa Varga.
Do you all feel that Abhyasa Varga, there is use in attending the Abhyasa Varga?
Yes. Sure. It's very helpful.
It's very useful.
Okay.
Friendly.
Shibani Mohoday, Prashna Asti va?
Nasti. Is that the correct way of replying to this?
Sorry?
I have replied Nasti. So is that the correct way of replying?
Yes.
Yeah. So I do not have questions.
Yeah. Mahodaye bhavatyaha hastam upari asti.
Yes.
Idanim Chaitra Mahodaye prashnam asti va iti pruchhati.
Yes.
Okay, because your hand was raised.
Yes. Okay. I wanted to just share that Abhyas Vargam is good because we practiced, even though there are 3 or 4 questions, but everyone participated and tried to create that sentence. So it was really good experience.
Yes.
In simple words, Sharam Vagera jo thi, we keep it aside. We try to learn whatever we can. So
from next class, Chaitra and myself, we will talk less and you will all talk more.
No, I mean today, it was really an interactive class, and I'm glad we could, kind of do this.
You're very happy that all of you participated in the conversation.
Any other thoughts, questions, samshayaha, sandeha, prashnaha, santiva?
Any written homework after the word mother? Nothing till now.
You should have received the second assignment, isn't it, Mahoday?
Yesterday I did.
So yes, so please work on that.
No homework from Abhyasa Varga.
Okay.
It's only just participating and doubts clearing and to learn a little more.
Yes, practice more of Sambhashana.
We are enhancing what you have learned. That's all.
Pruchatu Mahoday, Nagaprabhu Mahoday.
That homework Griha Patam you are giving, no? That in classroom, is it common to all or all?
It is common to all the Sasyam students, Mahoday.
Okay.
It is the same Griha Karyam.
Same.
Yeah, irrespective of whichever teacher is teaching, the Griha Karyam remains the same.
And we need to submit in the same, everyone in the same.
Yeah, there is a link, right, which Narayan Mahodaya has explained about in the
Same. Okay.
Yeah, it's the same. Please don't post it, where we post the comments and all. So I'm sure each of you, would be assigned a specific link, so you can go there and turn it in. So it's not just uploading the homework, you need to turn it in also. If I may just share a simple thing, like, I mean, I can do it for my Lata, because some of you had doubts. So
the only thing is all homeworks should go into Google Classroom only, not into the WhatsApp. That's the easiest thing which we can tell. Yeah, you can show the Lata, Chaitra.
Yeah, I'll just do that. Astu drishyate va? Can everyone see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Astu. So this is the Sasyam. I mean, just as an example, so yeah, so this is Lata, I mean, the course which I'm currently pursuing. So there is a new assignment here. So I just click on this and you can see this is a separate link for me. So when I complete my homework, I click on this add or create. Okay, and there of course I would have created a PDF version of my homework after scanning it and all that, and then I would add it here. And then there would be one it will like turn in, that would appear. Okay, once I upload, and then I click on that. Okay, and then it tells that it's turned in. For example, let me just show that to you. Just a second. Okay. Okay, see, so this was the assignment which was due. It was an earlier assignment which I've already turned in, and it shows here turned in. Okay, that means I have successfully uploaded my third assignment. Okay, so even when all of you are uploading, please remember to check the turn in, and you would also see this message. I think Narayan Mahodaya was also trying to say the same thing in Sasyam Guru. Okay.
And it will also say that you have handed over your homework. That thing also comes.
Yeah, turned in. So if you see here, only this is in a bright purple color, because I have not yet submitted this, and all these are in gray color because I'm already done with these 3 assignments. So all are turned in. So this is a new one, and I have not yet done that, so it's just in bright purple color. Okay, so was that clear how to turn in? And yeah, any doubts regarding I think all of you are comfortable now, right? Like how to turn in the assignment, how to submit it, to that particular link which each one of you have been given. We just hope that
it's clear.
Yeah. So nothing will come. Homework will not come into the WhatsApp group. It only goes into Google Classrooms.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. So only if you want to post some comment, you can post in the comment section. Okay, so for example, yeah, if you want to announce something to the entire class, then you can type it in here. So we just don't want anyone to post their assignments here, because then this would mean that you are sending it to all your classmates. Yes, so
what we upload these assignments, only teachers can see. Other
other students, that's why, if you
cannot
upload it to the link to which you have been assigned, then others cannot see. Only the teachers can see your assignment.
Then nobody can copy.
No, Mahodaya, no one can copy. But if you post, where all the comments have been posted, then everyone and anyone can view. I mean, all the people who are in Sasyam-4.
Okay.
Yes. So,
but either way, we can post, right, in the comment section and here also. Either.
No, Mahodaya, your homework, you need to post it to that particular link which you have been assigned. The comment section is only if you want to share something with the entire class.
Okay.
You may say the homework was difficult.
Or the homework was easy.
Yeah,
If
like
you
that.
are you giving any tests for us in between?
We would have, usually we have tests, but don't worry, it's not like the rocket science or anything, so it's okay. We'll
If
plan
you
it
give
out.
test also, it will be like in the Google.
Yes.
Same. So we
Everything
should not,
via Google Classroom.
we should not submit in the public open announcement.
No, Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Astu.
प्रश्नः नास्ति चेत् समाप्तं कुर्मः.
Mangalam krutva samapayamah. Astu. Would anyone like to say the prayers? Mangalam. Chitra Mahodaya. Vaktum ichchati va?
Yes, one second. Yes, no.
शान्ति मंत्र चित्रा महोदय.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः महोदय.